Welcome back to a brand new episode of Something Interesting with Deepti. Today we will be talking to Mr. Ravi Dabral. He hails from India but has been living in Singapore for past many years. There is not one but many things that make him special. For starters, he is a proud author of 3 books. He is a theatre personality too. And above all, he has more than 20 academic and professional qualifications to his name. So let's hear it from Mr. Ravi Dabral himself, his mantra for life and success.
I have over 25 academic and professional qualifications, 4 master's degree in political science, economics, MBA and master's degree in law, 5 professional courses, cost and management accountancy, corporate secretary, LLB, commerce graduate and arbitration. Over 10 professional diplomas in skills and over 10 hobby diplomas. I am a fellow member of 9 international institutes which are active in the field of arbitration, mediation, dispute resolution and cost and management accountancy, corporate services, shipbrokering, etc. Cost and management accountancy was the toughest one because that time I was struggling in my professional career and was having family responsibilities as well. At the end of the day, I asked myself a question, what value addition today I have done in my personal life or in my professional life? This question motivates or drives me. I would like to call myself as a student and I feel good when I call myself or someone calls me student. But at the same time, I am also trying to establish myself as an author and stage performer. I believe in trend, technology and time. You need to be ahead of these 3 T's, I can say, if you want to live a purposeful personal life and want to grow in your professional life. And I will give you an example. Nowadays there is trend of artificial intelligence, biotechnology, blockchain and data science, organic and natural farming. So these I feel are ahead of time, and if a person decides that in future he wants to grow, then he should consider. So similarly for me also, I keep in mind what is the latest trend. And another point is in professional and business life, survival of the fittest is the saying. So to be fittest, you need to be ahead of these 3 T's: trend, time and technology. No, I was just an average student, and only thing is that I was focused and consistent. They are very supportive and very encouraging, and particularly my kids, they enjoy discussing many topics with me, like relating to religion, economics, political science, and basically we enjoy all the discussion. Particularly I always focus on developing reasoning power. Why the other purpose of education is to apart from livelihood earning, is to develop the reasoning power so that we can come out of this old mindset, closed mindset like ignorance, superstition and biased mindset, narrow mindset, because otherwise what is happening, like politicians, religious gurus and businessmen through celebrity endorsement, they are considering us as product, and they are selling their products, considering us as a product. Why? Because of we don't have any reasoning power. We cannot ask what is wrong, cannot consider what is wrong, what is right. My cousins, when I visited their home and their parents were not home, then they said, why you come our home? Every time our parents scold us, saying that Ravi is married, he is still studying, he has kids, he is still studying, why don't you study? And I said that what is the problem? They just request you to study. They said, no, we are not intelligent like you. Then I said, say how intelligence has to do with the study? For to be a student and to do studies, you need to be consistent, focused, time management, and self-discipline. All these things are required. And then, okay, if you don't concentrate on study, then what do you have any hobbies, skills which you want to pursue? Because for livelihood you need to do something. So they say, no, we don't want to do any studies, and please don't come to our house. I always find that there are more talented people than you, and this world is full of talents. Only thing that some people have different hidden talents or known talents, but I enjoy their company by learning from them different perspective, different knowledge about different fields, and this is what we should be open-minded to listen to other people's, learn from their experiences. So I can say that there are many people, not in terms of study or particular field, but different areas they are doing very good. And I encountered many such people, not one, many such people. Most of the time in the evening when I reach home from office, then after instead of watching TV and other things, I just sit, say from 9 to 12 for 2-3 hours, and either I study or read some novels, some motivational books, or write and I have another time management you have asked. I have another thing, like I always take power nap. So whenever I come home, at least for half an hour. So that half an hour gives me power, you can say, or energy for extra 2 hours. And these 2 hours helps me a lot. I am a keen learner, and I always learn from others' experiences, listen to others' experiences. So this is what I always would like to call myself as a student. So as a keen learner, you can say. Self-discipline. Second is extra work. Third is always see dreams. I will give you my interpretation of God, the meaning of God. G stands for great grandfather or guardian of discipline. Discipline here means, like, say, through discipline only we can become perfect person. So the crux is self-discipline is the not only a key to success, but also to become a good human being and to be nearer to the God. Now the second point, the extra efforts. The extra efforts, there is the difference between ordinary person and extraordinary person is the word extra. So extra here means extra time, extra determination, extra passion, extra energy. You know what? Because the ordinary person is doing what? Just living a daily routine life, and he has many excuses, delay tactics, procrastination habits, blame game. I can't do this, I cannot become because of this thing, excuses. But for extraordinary person, only thing is extra time, energy and discipline, and then he makes a difference, and then he becomes a successful person.